Okay, congratulations. Our model rank and file heart of the house, Juana Katrina Taberna. Okay? Okay, next is the model rank and file front of the house. Nominees are Christine Peñaranda, Nicole Punong Bayan from front office, and Kurt Jan Santiago of front office. And the winner is RM.
Maybe si Kurt or...
Wrong, drum roll.
The front of the house for the month of November, Christine Peñaranda from housekeeping.
Okay, from housekeeping. Armstrong, Roy, would you like to join Christine here? Nandiyan ba siya? A day off, so you will receive her award na lang.
Housekeeping team.
Housekeeping daw, housekeeping team.
Housekeeping.
Dali po kayo. Kim,
Binay.
dali kayo. Yan. So the rack and file front of the house will receive 1,005 cash. Let's proceed with the supervisor category. And the nominees are Crisanto Maiso, Kitchen Department, Samuel, Food and Beverage, Marvin Rivera, Food and Beverage, Priscilla Palisbo, Housekeeping, and Alexander Habal, Kitchen Department. And the winner is
Supervisor for the month of November from Housekeeping Department.
again from Housekeeping Department. Nandiyan si Priscilla Palisbo.
Nagmamadali yung slides. Dandan lang.
And she will also receive 2,000 cash. Housekeeping team, support! Ano kayo? Armstrong! Ano kayo? Ano po?
Manager na yun. Manager na ng Bait yan. Bait yan.
Next, please. And then for managerial category, the nominees are Sir June Hamar of FNB, Sir Gray Abergas of FNB, Miss Sheila Idanan of FNB, Sir Will Roy of Housekeeping, Miss Jolie Salas of Front Office, and Mr. Jeffrey Camilon of Sales and Marketing. And the winner for manager category is
Manager for the month of November 2024 from Housekeeping ulit.
from Housekeeping.
Wilfredo Roy.
Okay. Will. So, sila po, Sir Will?
Pag-i-receive yung Jellica. Jellica.
Jellica.
Pag-i-receive yung award.
Award sila.
Bigay 3,000 to, sa'yo na yan.
Sir Will, saan ka ba?
HK.
Housekeeping, please join. Okay, manager category will receive 3,000 pesos in cash.
Diday, samahan niyo si dito.
Housekeeping, samahan nyo. Ayan. Congratulations, Housekeeping. Department. Let's move to the month of December 2024. Okay, for Rank and File Heart of the House, the nominees are Philben of Sales and Marketing, Rom of Engineering, Mona Michael of Finance Department, and the winner is
Heart of the house for the month of December, Mr. Romulo.
Romulo Obias of Engineering Department. Okay, Engineering team. Nin, Red, halika kayo. Heart of the House. Ito yung walang tulugan. Noong December. Hindi natutulog si Rom noong December. Extension, please! Okay, the bottom rank and file will receive 1,500 cash. Congrats, Rom! Okay, let's move to the rank and file front of the house category. And the nominees are Dexter Dompic, Rachel Garcia, Salvador Villanueva, Nikki Bagsin. And the winner is
The winner
Rachel.
for the month of December from front office, Miss Nikki Bagsin.
Nikki Bagsin, front office Bagsin. Rank and file front of the house for December 2024. Miss Jolie. Lahat, ito. Gusto niyo mag-join? Ito. We'll also receive 1,500 cash po. Congratulations, Nikki. Okay, let's move to Supervisor category. And the nominees are Anthony Isala, Jerry Rose, Bernal of Food and Beverage, Armstrong Pilakin of Housekeeping, Johnson Freshnell of Engineering. Sino po yung hula niyo?
Armstrong! Armstrong!
Okay, RM?
And the winner is
Armstrong!
Ito, tulping-tulping to.
Walang patupik-tupik.
Walang paimig.
Walang patupik-tupik.
From housekeeping.
Ay!
Yung MVP. MVP. Hotel Supervisor. Thank you. Congratulations.
Award ko. Housekeeping nga. Award housekeeping ha.
Okay, thank you, Atong. Deserve na deserve. And next, for managerial category, and the nominees are Sir Jude of F&B, Sir Gray of F&B, Miss Sheila of F&B, Sir Will of Housekeeping, Miss Jolie of Front Office, and Sir Jet of Sales and Marketing. And the winner is
And the winner is from front office department,
Jolly!
Miss Connie Salas.
Okay, Miss Jolie May Salas, our front office manager. Okay. So the manager will receive 3,000 cash.
Anong oras na?
Okay, thank you.
Meron?
Ayan, so yun po yung nanalo natin for the month of November and December. And now, ito po yung sinasabi ko kanina. Lahat ng winners from January to December, gumawa tayo ng poll, voting kanina. Nag-vote po ba kayo? Hindi, sayang na. Sayang! Hindi mananalo yung manok nyo. Okay? May opportunity po sila kung sino po yung mananalo dito. Ito po yung ipapadala namin for our Mabuhay Awards. Okay? So, our Model Employees of the Year 2024 are... Next slide, please. Okay, next start muna tayo sa rank and file. Okay, heart of the house. Ito po yung mga nanalo. Lahat ito winners na po. Okay, lahat ng winners. Mona, Juana, Elmore, Alex, at saka si Ro. So, depende kung anong month po sila na winner na po sila lahat. Okay, and the model rank and file of the year is...
Alex.
Drum roll, please.
From finance, Mona Lisa Maico.
Okay, our model rank and file of the year 2024 is Mona Maico of Finance Department, who will receive 5,000 pesos. 5,000. Congrats po ka na.
Hindi ko muna bibigay ito, hindi ko umiiyak, Chris.
Sir
Iiyak ko.
Chris, nanalo ka na po.
Samahan niyo naman tong ano.
Sir Chris, hindi po kayo dito. Finance. Sir John, finance po. Finance. Kasi ito po yung model employee natin of the year. Si Mona po. Okay? So si Mona, yung picture niya, i-display po natin. Okay? So, i-display po natin yung picture ni Mona, writers, employees, entrance sa cafeteria o kung saan ang boss.
Model of the year.
Iiyak ka. Hindi sasabihin.
Okay. Mona, message po.
Thank you po sa... Thank you po, Team Finance. And NTP, salamat po. Sulit po lahat ng pagod at stress. Sir Chris, Sir Judge, Sir Mon po, thank you. Kahit galit na galit ka na sa akin. Ma'am Lai, sa head ko po, ay Ma'am Lai, thank you so much po. Sa lahat po ng team, thank you po.
Thank you, Mona. So si Mona po ang best of the best ng rank and file back of the house for year 2024. And once again, a round of applause for Mona. Okay, next. Model rank and file front of the house 2024. Nominees are, okay, ito po lahat ng mga nanalo from January to December. Mary Ann Arasha, Finance. Rachel Garcia, Housekeeping. Myla Castro, F&B. Edward Calderon, Housekeeping. Kurt Jan Santiago, Front Office. Nikki Bagsit, Front Office. Christine Piñaranda, Housekeeping. And the winner is...
My
From finance / F&B. Marian Aracha.
Okay! Mary Ann Arasha, F&B / Finance, Cashier. Mary Ann?
Wala. Wala.
Judy. Okay, Tita Judy.
Sir Gray, wag mo pa-duty.
Pababayin mo muna.
Pababayin mo.
Award doon natin.
I-award natin. Siya po yung best of the best. Rock and Roll Front of the House 2024. Megan Arasha. Next na lang muna. Okay, next muna. Mamaya na lang si Megan. Okay? Again, ito naman ay labanan ng mga for the year 2024. And soon, lalaban din sa mga supervisor ng buong hotels ng Philippines. Okay, the nominees are Chef Crisanto Maiso, Darwin Asordano of F&B, Priscilla Paalismo Housekeeping, Nat Marine Front Office, Armstrong Kilakil Housekeeping, Alvin Vergara Front Office, Rod Vargas Housekeeping. And the winner is
2024 Supervisor of the Year from F&B.
Maiso!
okay, F&B.
Sino?
Chef Darwin.
Chris Maiso.
Chris Maiso. Okay? The best of the best for year 2024. Who will receive 5,000 cash? Sir Jude? Sir Gray? Si Sean po lalaban for Mabuhay Award. Okay, Chef? Message, please.
Ay, bibigyan pagkain. Ayun po. Ma'am, sir, thank you po sa... Sana, din po kayo. Thank you.
Wow!
Thank you.
Thank you and congratulations once again, Chef Chris Maiso. Deserve si Chef Chris. Okay, so ito yung pinaka. Okay, the best of the best na Manager of the Year 2024. Okay, sino sa tingin nyo? Binoto nyo po ba yung mga manager nyo?
Hindi!
Ang purpose ng poll voting is malaman rin namin yung side nyo. Lahat ng staff kung bakit ito yung pinili nyo. So meaning deserve kong maging Model Manager of the Year 2024. The nominees are Miss Sheila Idanan of F&B, Sir Gray Vargas of F&B, Miss Jolie May Salas of Front Office, and Sir Will Ron of Housekeeping. And the winner,
And the winner is Manager of the Year 2024 from Front Office, Miss Johnny Salas.
okay. So garnering of 15% of votes po siya. Matt, ilang votes po siya, Matt?
Ilang votes?
Matt! Ilang total votes siya? 54.
54.
54% goes to Miss Jolie May Salas, our Manager of the Year 2024. We will also receive 5,000 cash. Picture na po.
Front Office, sama kayo dito.
Front Office!
Dating manager ba si ano? Si Gria tayo. Nanalo. Ay ang pinaka-year naman. Year of the year. Aywan ko lang.
Thank you.
I'm one of the greatest, ain't no debate, no.
Good afternoon, everyone. So, unexpected blessing for the year 2025. Grateful for the opportunity and for allowing me by the management, especially Sir VP, Sir RM, for giving me an opportunity to work here in Lime Resort Manila. So it's a great privilege to be here. Maraming salamat po. This is just not for me, this is for the whole team of Bruce Division, especially the Lime Hotel Resort. Salamat.
Thank you and congratulations once again, Miss Jolie, our Manager of the Year 2024. So sir, lahat po ng mga winners, yung mga pictures nilang frames will be displayed.
Yes, sir.
Throughout the yung isa, balik tayo po sa nanalo kanina. O yan, nandito na po yung model rack and file natin, front of the house. Ray Ann Garage. We will also receive 5,000 cash. FXB, Finance, sir? Finance po. Sir Chris? FNB team, Sir June, Sir Grace.
Thank you, everyone.
Ay, speech pa namin. Hey.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you so much for this award. All hard work pay off talaga. Thank you po.
Okay, maraming salamat ulit. Okay, so yung mga, gaya na sinabi ko, yung mga frames or photos nila will be displayed around Live Manila. And then, pwede rin namin i-distribute to other properties. Okay? So, let's now proceed to another part of the program. So, no town hall would be complete without hearing from the person who has been driving force behind Lime Hotels and Resorts. His dedication and commitment to excellence have steered us to new heights.
It's my honor to introduce someone whose vision and leadership continue to inspire us all. With years of experience in the hotel industry, he has led us with outstanding innovation and teamwork.
Please give a warm round of applause to our Vice President, Mr. Michael Acaso. Kakayaw mo, Sir Michael.
Good afternoon to everyone and Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
And Ponghay Patsoy!
Kung
So, ang sarap nung makita natin ng mga awarding. No? When I was during your younger years, all my younger years, no? Ginagawa kong yung inspirasyon yung mga nakakakuha ng award. Nung time na yun, tinitignan ko kung ano bang ginagawa nila, bakit sila nagkaka-award. So, hindi masamang mangopya eh. Doon mo makikita kung ano ba yung kulang sa'yo, ano yung kailangan mong ayusin sa sarili mo. Kasi hindi mo naman pwedeng iasa yung